What's up, YouTube? Greenlee Well Services coming back at you, doing a little wire locator review for you here today. Know y'all are out there, and everybody comes across it a lot. They have a wire that's broke up under the ground, or something that's tripping a breaker and can't figure out what it is, but it's got a pump in there, and you know it's not the pump, and you know it's a wire up under the ground, and you got to find it. You don't know where it is. This is the video for you. Got a neat little tool here. This guy here, we've saved customers all kind of money using it and getting used to it. So what we got here is the this is made by Greenlee. They make 3 or 4 different models of it. This is the model 501. Let's see here, Tracker 2 cable locating system for all you technical people out there. Hey, I'll give it a thumbs up because we like it, just like y'all. Hopefully y'all like our video. Smash the thumbs up button. Keep the YouTube algorithm going here for you. So here we go. You can see what it comes with here. Got a little locator here. Got headphones that you stick into your ear, and you know, got a little. Bring this up here where you can see it. Got a little sensitivity meter on it where you can turn it up, turn it down. Bear with me here. I'm kind of getting everything out. Here's the transmitter that comes with it. Obviously, you can take this out of the box and set it anywhere it needs to go. Got the wires that poke in like this. Alright. Then you got 2 little clips here. Alright, one of these clips goes to the wire that you're trying to find or troubleshoot or diagnose. The other one clips onto this ground rod. You drive this little ground stake into the ground, and then once you've got this set up, you go to town with your little locator wand here. And what the wire is going to do is whenever you're walking across the wire like this, anytime you get over the top of it, it's going to make a real loud ping. And when it makes that noise, that's when you're right on top of the wire. And these things are incredibly accurate. We've been within an inch or 2 of the line every time. And you can also, we don't use this much, but you can also adjust the sensitivity on here and actually rotate the wand sideways and tell how deep the line is under the ground. So, awesome little tool out there. But the neat thing that we finally figured out after using this a couple of times is you can find wires that are broke up under the ground, and you can also find wires that are tripping a breaker up under the ground. This is going to save the customer all kind of money. I've probably been successful using this, I know, at least 10 times already, where I've, you go out to the well, and they got their breaker's good. They got 230 volts coming from the breaker. They only got 115 volts coming out to the well, and you can find the source. And what's going to happen is your signal is going to be loud when you get across the wire. So you're walking it back and forth. The signal's loud. Then all of a sudden, as you're moving closer, like I'm doing to the camera here, the signal just stops. It gets real dim. It gets real faint. That's where your broke wire is. Dig it up. 9 times out of 10, you'll find a broke wire. Or somebody's always got a prize. This is what we found the other day up under the ground. Saved a guy about 140 foot of trenching. Back in the old days, you go out to a job, you didn't have these tools. You just say, oh, your wire's broke somewhere up under the ground, you need a new line, we'll lay one across the ground to get you water, and then we'll come back and trench it. Who wants to do that? Pull this tool out of the truck within 10 minutes. After walking the whole line, what we'll typically do is, hook one of the leads to one wire, walk it down, spray paint some spots that we think is trouble areas, come back to the well, unhook it, hook it to the other wire, check it out then too. See if either one of the wires have stronger signals in certain places. That's where you're going to go check it out. Sure enough, up under the ground, found this little jewel here. Somebody patched it or made a splice up under the ground or ran out of wire. Who knows what they did. And that was under the ground. The breaker wouldn't even stay on for a second. It was tripping bad. Dug it up, fixed within 45 minutes. So, I don't know. I'm actually kind of amazed at these things. One thing I will say though is, don't grab the wire when you have them hooked to the wire, because it will not ever let them crap out of you. And yeah, you'll get a wake-up call from it. That's all I got to say. But they're very handy. I think we paid, I'm trying to remember right, I think we paid about $500 for this unit. But I think in 2 jobs it pays for itself. Comes with instructions in here. Also comes with this little book that's neat. It tells you all about it. You can learn all about it in here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. All it takes is just some field use and getting used to it on the job. So yeah, this is an awesome tool for you guys out there, whether you're wanting to find broke wires or sometimes there's so many utilities out in the yard. We just bring this out here to figure out where the wires are. You can hook this to the ground rod coming to the meter, and you can trace the power wire all the way out there. Yes, is it better to call 811? Yes, it is. Sometimes if you're on a job site and you're needing some quick information, these guys are going to be the best way to go. And then sometimes you can go out there and hook this guy up and find a broke wire and splice it and fix it and save you time from having to dig a ditch, and also save the customer from money from having to run a whole new wire and mess up their yard. So, always more than one way to skin a cat, but technology's always changing, and these tools right here are awesome. It's just something else to help you save time, save your customer money, save yourself some money. But at the same time, not everybody has these, so you still have a right to, charge a little bit for using something like this. So, hopefully you like it. We're going to start doing some more videos on this. Feel free to drop me a line, some feedback, some comments where you like these kind of videos. We're going to start doing some more of these. Doing reviews on tools that we use every day that are kind of unique. Obviously, the well drilling and pump industry is a unique industry. There are unique tools that come along with that. So, feel free to drop us a line, comments of any of the tools that you guys have used out there. Obviously, I like to pass this kind of stuff along to people so, they can get a hold of it themselves and save themselves some times too. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button again. Very important that you do that to keep the YouTube algorithm happy. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. Check us out on WendellLeeWellServices.com. We'll keep on coming back at you.